Good morning. Today we are going to see design and analysis of algorithm. The topic is job sequencing with deadline. I am Dr. G. Elizabeth Rani, Assistant Professor, Selection Grade, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in the affiliation Kalingar Kannanathy Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. So let's move into our topic so that it will be easy to understand what we have to learn it. So first we will study job sequencing. Why I have to study the job sequencing? So before moving into that, we should know what is meant by job sequencing with the deadlines. So n jobs will be assigned for you. So in that you are having two things. One is profit and another one is the deadline. So we are having two things, PI as well as DI, profit as well as the deadline. So why I have to study this job sequencing means you have to find the optimal solution. So optimal solution is the main thing. Whatever the algorithm we are using, even in any type of algorithm we are running, means our aim is that we have to find the best solution within the time limit. Time limit should be very less taken. So that is what we called as the optimal solution. For that only we are moving into job sequencing with the deadlines. But we are before starting into algorithm, we should know there is two constraints are there in the job sequencing. What are the constraints? If you ask, it means only one machine will be there. Okay, second one is one unit time will be there. Okay, one machine will be there. Within that one machine, within one unit time, you have to assign the job and you have to complete it. So only one machine is there. Okay, so now we will move into algorithm so that you can understand why we are studying this one and what is the need of studying this one. So first we will move into algorithm. So totally we are having three steps. Okay, so first step one, you have to arrange all the jobs, whatever the jobs it is assigned for, assigned in your problem. You have to arrange all the jobs in decreasing order or descending order, whatever it may be. So you have to arrange it. Okay, based on what? If you ask, it means based on profits. Based on profits you have to arrange the jobs. Next step 2, you are going, select first job. Okay, select first job and you have to execute it by slot. Okay, you have to assign a slot. If for example I'm having the slot as 3. Okay, so how you have to take the slot means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, so here from this you have to assign the slot. For example, r is equal to 3. I have to assign the job. What is the formula? R minus 1 comma r. So what you will get 2 comma 3. So you are able to assign the job here. Okay, while you are solving the problem, at the time you can understand very easily. But before moving into the problem, you should know the basic concept. Okay, once 2 comma 3 is assigned means we are having the left of slot is 0 1 1 2. So for that you but once assigned means you cannot take the slot again. Okay, so r minus 2 comma r minus 1, so you will get 1 comma 2. So you are possibly able to assign the job here. Then afterwards we are having only one slot 0 comma 1, so you will get r minus 3 comma r minus 2, you will get 0 comma 1. So you are able to assign the slot. Likewise you have to assign the slot for the jobs. Okay, so step 3 is nothing but simple step 3 only. You have to execute all the process one by one. What I have said now, I have said here everything, but you have to execute this the step one by one. So this is the uh, job sequencing algorithm. Once again I'm saying, please listen it. So first you have to arrange all the jobs in descending order based on the profit value. That is the first step, you have to follow it. And second step you have to follow, you have to follow, you have to take the first step. You have to take the first job, you have to select it and you have to execute based on the slot. The formula is nothing but r comma r minus 1 comma r. So they will give the slot r means 3, like that they will give it. So from that you can take it. Then you have to execute all the process one by one. So this is the algorithm. Now we will move into problem. So in the problem you are able to understand how the algorithms are works. Okay, let's move into the problem. So I'm taking problem 1. So they have given me 5 jobs with a profit value. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. This is the profit value. So what is the profit? 100, 19, 38, 27, then afterwards 52. So next I'm taken the deadline. D2, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. These are the deadlines they have given for us. 2, comma 1, comma 2, 1, comma 3. So you got the problem. Job sequencing problem. 5 jobs is assigned for you with a profit as well as the deadline. So they have given. What is the step 1? I have explained you in the algorithm. Arrange the profits based on the decreasing order or descending order. So you, if you look into this means, you can see profits, 5 profits you are able to see. Now you can see which one is 100 is first come decreasing order, then 52 will come, then 38 will come, then 27 will come, then 19 will come. Okay, so if you taken the profit means P1, P5, P3, P4, then P2. Okay, so this is the way which I have followed for the first. So same for deadline also. So deadline for P1 what it is there, 2 comma P5 we are having 3, 2, 1, 1. Just you have to arrange it, that's the thing. So how we arrange D1, D5, D3, D4, D2, that's the first step. I hope you have understood the step 1. First we are taking the decreasing order based on the profit values that I have taken. So I, after that I have after arranging the profit value, I have to arrange the same for the deadline also. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we are going to follow for next step, step 2. So while you are following step 2, you just make the table assigned slot, then job selected, then action, then profit. Okay, yeah. Okay, now first we have to take R value. So if you take an R, which I told you 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1 1, which we have arranged this one, the deadline maximum is 3. Okay, so your R value is 3. Okay, now we are going to that. So G, here you just make 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 3 3. Okay, first initially none. Okay, you are not going to arrange any of the job. So first job selected, as I told you in step 2, select job 1. So J1. Okay, the formula which I have taught you as R minus 1 comma R. Okay, so what you will get, 3 minus 1 2, 2 to 3. So job 1 is allocated here. Okay, you have to follow the steps R minus 1 comma R2. Okay, R, sorry. So now the action is what we have taken here as the, sorry, so we have to take as the R minus 1, we will get as the 2 comma 2 comma 3 we have to be taken. So this is the place which we have been taken. So R minus 1, so R comma 2, so you will get 1 comma 2. So here you will get it as 1 comma 2. The profit is 100, so we are taking. So we have assigned 1 comma 2. Next we have to take it as the thing, sorry, this one we have to take it 1 comma 2. Next we are taking job 5 because that is the next job we have are having. Next if you taken means R minus 2 comma sorry, r minus 1 comma r minus 2 comma 1. So you will get as the 2 comma 3. So here job 5 you have been assigned, so that is nothing but 2 comma 3, where you have to make the profit 100 plus 52, you will get 152. Then afterwards whatever the job we have assigned, that you have to take 2 comma 3. Next we are taking job 3, as per the order only we are moving. So we are having only the remaining slot is 0 comma 1. So you will get as the r minus 2 comma r minus 1. So you will get as the r comma 3, so 0 comma 1. So you will get 0 comma 1. So you will get 190. So that's the thing. Next is 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Next I am taking job 4, but already everything is occupied for me, so I cannot take anything, so reject it. So 190 is my profit. Again I'm taking for another job J2, but everything is occupied, reject it, same profit 190 is coming. So job sequencing for J1, J5, J3 is nothing but it is 190. So likewise one day you have to solve this problem. Thank you.